standard as I've ever worked with. And they want so much more than just what the state requires. You know, the state requires a certain level of success, but I feel the community of Midland truly wants us to go above and beyond that.
Doctor, thank you.
They're great people, aren't
They
they?
are. Most of my family was teachers. Thank you, Doctor, for coming in and visiting.
Yes, we
Appreciate your time.
Thank you very much.
And all the good stuff that you're doing. And yes, you're still the new superintendent until we get through this high school football playoff season. Ladies and gentlemen, our score at halftime, Bulldogs 14 with the Aztecs at 0.
What do you think,
Sal?
Sal?
Half to go. It should be very, very exciting. We'll come back. We've got a couple things for you before we get started, but we'll do that. 3-minute timeout, our last timeout of the halftime, and you're listening to Midland High School football.
Sale and the crew at Builders and Homeowners Supply are so proud to be a part of tonight's broadcast. Midland Lee High School football on News Talk 550 KCRS. We hope you enjoyed tonight's broadcast and give
Handle's pretty easy.
your full support no matter what school they root for. They are our future. Please don't take it for granted. And when you need home and building supplies,
David, be nice.
of Builders and Homeowners Supply, 1701 West Industrial in Midland.
What do you think, Bo? I know how to knock it down. Zoo.
Being ready, a true story from Farmers Insurance. A farmer's client.
I like to go fast. Boats, quads, sand rails, motorcycles, you name it, we like to do it.
Steve Watts, a farmer's agent.
Offers a wide array of products that covers everything from their auto, their home, their rentals, all
Say, I'm